See what I'm saying? I'm finna downshift in the first. You ready to hit it? Great service, great service. Man, probably finna do something for the clothes brand or do something to the car, man. Whichever one we get into, man. That's a bit. Y'all boy, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man, and enjoy the video.
Sipping on syrup, posting the trap with cuz your bitch at text like what was the word? And I ain't no picture, but a young nigga do get flies a bird. And you can call me G Herbert the way I made it 392 word.
Yo, YouTube, man. So today's video, man, we finna be showing y'all how to work these little paddle shifters right here, man. And yeah, man. Just show y'all. So first thing first, man, you know you wanna put your car in manual mode. You can't work paddle shifter without no manual mode. So first, right here on the right, you have your up, 1, 2, 3. I have 6 gears in a 6-speed, and then on the left you have your down. And yeah. So first thing is learning your engine. All right. So let's ride, man. I'm finna show y'all how to work some paddle shifters. And yeah. So let me, like, while we cruising right now, first thing, mostly everybody know when it comes to working paddle shifter, it shift when it gets to 7,000 RPMs. And I'm gonna tell you right now, man, that is not always gonna work when you're using paddle shifter just to cruise. And I'm gonna tell y'all that now. But the best way I learned was just by listening out to the engine, for real. Like, that's how I know when to shift, listen to the engine, and you can feel it. So with that being said, turn this shit off my video, fool. So, with that being said, let's go. We're gonna start off slow. Alright? So you see I'm in first gear, you see how the engine going up? It needs to be changed. There go your first chain right there. You hear it. You can hear it. Now I'm gonna show you how to downshift with it too and all that. So you see I can stay in second gear. And when I hear it rev up again, look. Change. You know what I'm saying? You hear it. You can hear it when the engine is getting high, too high, you know what I'm saying? And downshifting is when you're just slowing down, you know what I'm saying? Like downshift right now. And I can downshift again. Yeah, that's early. See, that's an early downshift. Only downshift. Don't abuse your early downshift. I only do that when I'm trying to show off or something, you know what I'm saying? Remember that. Do not abuse your early downshifts. You know what I'm saying? Some car won't even let you downshift too early. But yeah, it's just getting the hang of it, bro. You know what I'm saying? But y'all can see, man, just, you know, change it up right there. Shift up. It's just listening out for your engine. It's not that hard, for real. I honestly have no clue where I'm at. Okay, so I just hit a loop, basically. Y'all can see? Now, look, I'm gonna let y'all listen to it when we need the upshift. You can see, you can hear it popping, cause that bit, sometimes when it's popping too much, that bitch just ready to upshift, you know what I'm saying? But let me show y'all. So, I'm finna drop a gear. And look, you can listen to it. It needs to be, hold on, look. See, that needs to be upshift unless you're finna race and take off. You can hear, and you see how I got more calm. When the engine gets more calm, that means you're ready to upshift that thing. Now, I hope I'm giving y'all a good tutorial, because honestly, it don't sound like it, but shit, I mean, all the other videos I was watching, that shit was boring as fuck, bro. I ain't gonna lie. But it just learned your car, man, for real, man. And I'm gonna show y'all how to downshift when you're trying to race and all that. I'm finna show y'all right here when I hit this turn. So, downshift. Slow down some more. Don't want to downshift too early. Downshift again right here. Make it turn. Alright, so yeah, man. Know what I'm saying? You just gotta get the hang of it, bro. Look. Listen. Upshift. Like that. It's just getting the hang of it. Know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all when it comes to racing next on when the upshift. Now, when it's racing, it's different using your paddles because you're actually going to your 7,000 RPMs. Y'all see, you're actually going to your 7,000 RPMs. Now let me show y'all when it comes to road racing, you just downshift, look, downshift, hit it. Okay, look, you see what I'm saying? I'm in second still, downshift. You know what I'm saying? Downshift still. You know what I'm saying? Like, you gotta know. You're just learning your engine and all that on when to downshift and upshift. It's pretty easy, not too hard. Practice make perfect, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, man? That's all it is, though, y'all. It's like, it ain't that hard, bro. For real. It is a little different when you're racing, though. Not gonna lie. Like I said, y'all seen before when I hit the gas, really, you just going to your 7,000 RPMs when you're racing. But other than that, cruising, when you're just cruising, man, you just listening to it when it's time to upshift and downshift. That's all. Most time, automatics, when you got paddle shifters, you don't got to downshift every time. It's still automatic car, so it will adjust for you at the times when you're in the wrong. But yeah, but you don't want to destroy your transmission by being in the wrong all the time. If you don't want to learn and take that, you know, take the risk of destroying your transmission, don't do it. Because you can destroy your transmission, honestly. So yeah, you know what I'm saying? This a hard downshift. See what I'm saying, y'all? That's a hard downshift right there. That's all, man. So now, it's a nice looking truck. Alright, so now I'm finna show y'all when it comes to, let's do a little 20. Oh my God, it's a curve right there. Alright, so, see what I'm saying? I'm finna downshift in the first. You ready to hit it? You know what I'm saying? So that's all it is, bro. Learn your transmission. I don't have a clue where I'm at, so let's turn back around maybe. Oh, that's too steep. I ain't gonna do this shit. Alright though, man. Y'all can see. Once you learn it, it ain't hard. Baby boy, that's all you gotta do. I hope my tutorial was, you know, at least good enough and fantastic enough for y'all to learn something. Oh shit, I thought it started cool. For y'all to learn that, but in all honesty, man, you know, I don't got too much else for y'all to say. Here, listen, upshift. You heard how it got higher. Sound like it just don't sound too good, you know what I'm saying? You can hear it when you need to shift up. So listen. Upshift. You know what I'm saying? Right up. That's all it is. Listen to it when it get the higher. Now, for the people car that ain't that loud, it may be harder for y'all, honestly. It may be harder for the people car that ain't that loud, but I mean, my car a little loud, so it ain't that hard for me to learn with it. You know what I'm saying, man? And it's just like, yeah, type shit, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can see downshift. You know what I'm saying? Like there, right there. And you know, downshift again and out of there. Y'all can see how I shift up? When I'm hitting the gas, really, I can shift up at that 7,000 RPM. And yeah, just listening out. You can hear it when you finna destroy your transmission, then you can hear it when you're not. Let me put it like this, some sounds that you might not hear in automatic, that's how you know you need to upshift sometimes, if you don't hear that sound in automatic. You know what I'm saying? Like, ain't that hard, bro. I don't say you really need to learn how to use your paddle shifter when you're doing road racing though, because you get the most power when you downshift, drop a gear, and disappear. And yeah. I mean, shoot, you know, that's honestly all I really got for y'all, to be honest with you. And appreciate you for tuning in.